Okay, I'm going to show you a recipe that's a real quickie. This is a 3-ingredient recipe. It involves a pound of sausage. I have sweet Italian sausage here. A pack of crescent rolls, 8 rolls, and a pack of cream cheese. That's it. Okay, let's start by browning the sausage in a frying pan and draining off the fat, and we'll get ready to make a nice filling for the crescent rolls. Alright, let's get this pound of sausage into the frying pan. As we brown it, I'm just going to chop it up a little bit so it's easy to mix. You want these pieces of sausage to be like little crumbles, because as you know, a crescent roll isn't that big, and we want to make sure that we have a mixture of sausage and cream cheese inside that little cavity of goodness. This recipe came from Jamie, my son's girlfriend. She made this delicious recipe for my son Josh, and I really enjoyed it a lot. So I thought, okay, I'm going to try making it and see how we like it and pass the recipe on to you. While we're finishing the cooking of the sausage here, before I drain it, I'm going to open the can of crescent rolls. So I took the grill pan from our toaster oven and lined it with a sheet of parchment paper. And we're going to look at the directions on the package. Say cook this at 375. That's what we're going to do, and bake it 12 minutes. So we'll try that 12 minutes and make sure it's golden brown before you take it out. Now, a lot of these recipes with Poppin' Fresh Pillsbury Doughboy are usually very good. People get very creative. Oh, we popped it. So while you're getting ready, just go ahead and separate the rolls. The triangles each become a roll. And it's easy to handle when you're ready to fill it. Alright, now I drained the fat off of the sausage. I'm going to return it to the pan. And we're going to add this 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I'm just going to start breaking it up. As it hits the heat of the frying pan and the sausage, it'll start to melt. Think how you can get creative with your own recipe. You can add some chopped red peppers before you start cooking the sausage. You can add some onions, add some special spices. But think about using a sausage that has a flavor to it, like the sweet Italian, to give you already a good start on the herbs and spices that could be in there. Okay, see how nicely that mixed together? In the meantime, I'm preheating the toaster oven to 375 degrees. Alright, we're going to take the wide end of the crescent roll, hold it in your hand and fill it with the amount that kind of like an egg. And we're not going to completely cover it up. We're going to just make a crescent roll out of it. So just take the dough, fold it over, and make a nice little package. And set it on your parchment paper. And we'll do this with each one. Stretch it out a little bit so that you have enough room to fill it with some of this delicious filling. then just wrap it up into a nice little crescent. Something like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fill all these, and we'll be right back. We're going to stick them in the toaster oven now, and we're going to take them out when they're golden brown and delicious. Okay, take a peek. They're baking away in there. Don't they look good? I'm using our Crescent toaster oven. Does a nice job. Okay, they're done baking. We're going to take them out of the oven and put them on a plate. Get ready to eat these. Alright, here they are. Okay, let's take a look how nice they are. These are really a good size roll, and that's why it's nice we didn't have to seal them in, because the filling was so thick and it didn't have to cook out. Now some people serve these for breakfast. You know, if you have a breakfast sausage, and also they serve them like a nice lunch. If you're having a brunch or something like that, it's a great side dish. Alright, I want to cut one open for you to show you how it looks inside. It's still pretty hot. As you can see, the steam coming out, but it's got a nice amount of filling inside. I'm going to have a little taste of that while it's nice and warm. That's really good. The nice flaky crescent roll and the spicy sausage, the creaminess of the cream cheese. Try that for a nice breakfast recipe or a quick lunch. Okay, thanks for watching.